Commanda Lucas Ongaya uria Waretie na Andiki a Mohoro Augite umwe wa Maranyitirwo ni Supplier Munene Uratongoretio Mundugutuo Isiaih Mwangi na aria magaikorwo magikinyio igoti-ini muthi wa rucio.
Naitwa Lucas Ongaya. I'm the sub-county police commander wa Kayole Njiru sub-county. Now this afternoon we've conducted an operation, and we've conducted an operation to net all the illicit brews within Kayole. So I sent out my police officers who went round and managed to net and collect all these illicit brews in cartons you are seeing. Most of these alcoholic brews are not genuine, in the sense that when you check even the packaging from just the physical look, you will see that they are not sealed in the right manner. At the same time, the sealings, the serial numbers, most of them seem to resemble, showing that there is something wrong with them. So it appears they are serving citizens with dangerous brews that can affect their health. So we have been out always to try and net all such a kind of illicit brews so that our people are not harmed by these bad drinks. At the same time, today in our operations, we've managed to arrest the person who brings and is said to be manufacturing this bad brew. Is currently with us in custody, and he will appear before court tomorrow to answer into the charges of having brought into market these illicit drinks. So we tell such people who are involved in this bad trade to stop it and go for genuine kind of business that will not harm members of the public. At the same time, we still appeal to members of the public who are aware or who know people who are engaged in such a kind of business to come to us and inform us about them, so that we can take necessary action against them.